So in this video, we're going to be talking about funding your BetterSiteHost wallet. So when you log into your server panel, you'll notice that up here at the top, we have our wallet and it gives you your current credit balance. So you can either click that or you can actually go over here and go into wallet in the sidebar. And that takes you to your BetterSiteHost wallet. You can see your current balance here. And further down, you can actually see all of your charges that you've occurred this month. You can actually go to previous months and see what charges you had for those months as well. Essentially, the way this works is you're going to go ahead and fund your account. So I know that this particular server is going to cost me $59 per month for the server that I'm currently using. So let's say I want to add in $59. You just go ahead and type what you want to fund to your account and click on Add Credits. Now at that point, you'll just go ahead and pick whether or not you want to pay with PayPal or with Stripe, and you're going to pay and go through the checkout process. Those funds will then be added to your wallet immediately. Now it's up to you. You can preload your account with money, such as I've done here. You can also set thresholds to remind yourself if your wallet gets below a certain threshold. Now we are actively working on an auto recharge system so that you can actually auto replenish your wallet on a monthly basis. For now, you'll have to manually fund your wallet. I hope you're enjoying BetterSiteHost. Now go forth and make your websites great.